Hi, Jamie.
Hey man,
Oh, who's here?
there's somebody else on the other
How's it
line as
going?
well.
I just got this call from you and told me I could join.
Is it Brody or what?
It's Jamie.
How's,
It's Jamie. It's a group call. I can.
No. I will call later.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Sorry.
Oh, no, we lost him.
How's it going?
Good, man. We're just on the way to a delivery. Got this table in the back. Chairs
Cool.
down here. Yeah, just me and Malcolm. Hi, Malcolm. What's up?
Hey, bro. How's it going?
How's South America?
Yeah, it's cool. Absolutely. It's like
At least there's no Trump, eh?
Sorry.
At least you got no Trump there. It's not the Northern America. Fuck that shit.
Yeah. Or like Canada would seem pretty sweet, and
Yeah.
but and America would seem sweet too. But this place is super cheap, you know. It's much
fuck
cheaper.
yeah, dude. I gotta come and visit you sometime.
Yeah, dude. There's flights for $600 return.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yep.
Alright. Fuck, I guess I'll be there sooner than I think.
On grab a seat. So there was only
Grab a seat.
30,
Oh, yeah.
like an hour ago, there was only 30 seats available for like $600 return. So there might be none now. So I would go
Yeah.
really quickly to grab a seat.
I'll fucking keep an eye on it.
Oh, yeah, if
I don't
you
have $100 right now.
well, they've got tickets for 330, I think, one way. Yeah.
Oh, yo.
But it'll cost you like $1,500 to get back.
Oh, that's fine. Fuck coming back. That's so good.
But are you doing Airbnb or anything like that yet? Have you still got that yacht?
Nah.
What happened with your yacht?
Still got it.
You should Airbnb that out.
Okay. It's a bit yuck at the moment, but yeah,
Oh.
I need to clean it up. And fuck yeah, actually that's a good idea. I should do that.
Fuck
Be
yeah.
fucking genius. I
Yeah.
remember you doing that. Fucking. Yeah, that was done.
Because it's so unique for people, you know? They really enjoy it just for a night or two.
Hard.
A lot of people have like never even been on a boat.
Yeah. Shit, I tell all my mates, like, let's go sailing. And they're like, you have a fucking boat?
Yeah, totally. And if you Airbnb it out for the night, some couples will fucking love to fuck on a boat all night.
Yeah, fuck, I bet.
Yeah, bro. You should do it hard, real quick.
I'll download fucking Airbnb now, actually.
Or do it with my link,
Oh yeah?
and
Send it to me.
then I get paid by Airbnb.
Fuck yeah, alright then. I don't know how that works, but for sure.
Yeah.
That's a good move.
Or when you have your first host, when you host your first guest, they give me like $200 or $400.
Oh, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'll see if I can use my parents' boat too.
Oh shit, yeah, bro. Absolutely, man. I
I
reckon.
get way more money.
I reckon boats in Auckland is like, you know, that's such an untapped fucking gold mine for Airbnb.
Yeah, shit.
So many
I should
vacant
just
boats.
hit up our neighbours at the fucking wharf because they leave their boats sitting there
Yeah.
all year, man.
Totally, bro. Totally. And a lot of them is like super local, like close to Vector Arena and stuff, exactly where they need to be.
Bro. Yeah, it's all in West Haven, freaking right in the bottom of the city. Such ideal location.
And nobody's fucking sleeping in them, right?
No one. Dude, I go down there and we have little parties and we'll like walk down the end of the pier and be like, yo, let's see if there's any neighbours here. And there's just nobody around.
Yeah,
Like,
all-
all the things
Every once in a while you'll get some old sea dog that lives there, but he usually lives on the pier alone.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
But yeah, bro, totally hit that
Oh
stuff
yeah,
up.
look, somewhere that you'll remember. Good old who's Usana.
Oh yeah, man, Green Lane, absolutely.
With the sign. There it is, mate.
Yeah, they don't own the building or anything like that. They just pay for naming rights.
It's got a big
Oh, and the USANA associate has just come online with me too. We're just talking about USANA.
what a way the universe works, eh?
Yeah, totally, absolutely.
It's crazy.
Mr. Pie Candy.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, this will be.
And Pete Marsden, hello sir, how are you?
Traffic.
Oh. Wow, yeah, Auckland City.
Yeah, standard procedure, mate. I don't have to drive, I chauffeur.
Kia ora, Pie Candy. So are you doing furniture? You're selling the furniture,
Yeah,
yeah?
I'm working for my dad. I'm working for my dad again.
Yeah, dope.
Back up in Auckland, but yeah, it's pretty good. Just, working on myself, working on little things outside work, which has been good.
Yeah.
Quiet out things. Got into meditation, which has been real nice.
What?
I got into meditation, which has been handy.
Oh, dope. Absolutely. Yeah, man. I should, like some of the most successful people, like, they all, like, that's their number one guarantee success, they say, is, like, meditating for half an hour a day. Every day.
Straight up, dude. It's crazy. People ask me, they're like, oh, how often do you do it? I'm like, every day.
Oh,
And
yeah.
they're like, dude, that must be so hard. I'm like, dude, you sit there and do nothing for half an hour. It's like the easiest shit on the planet.
Yeah. You're into Joe Rogan, and he's all about it, right?
Yeah. Actually, he takes it one further and he does the full, he says you got to send 3 deprivation tanks.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah.
So much Epsom salt in that. What is it, like 8 pounds or something? And like 300 liters of water or something?
Yeah. Have you done one of those?
I haven't done it yet, but I'm keen as now that I've got into meditation, I can probably actually go and do it.
Yeah.
My stepdad, my mum bought a couple things for him to go do it, and he went and did it once, but he's just like, oh, it's just weird. You just like slop around in water for half an hour, and I'm like, nah, dude, that's that's how you do it.
Yeah.
Too much of that.
Yeah.
Chatter,
Well, the next level is some clinics offer DMT as well.
Oh wow, that'd be cool.
Yeah, absolutely. Hello guys, how's it going?
You on other phone calls at the same time?
Yeah, bro. I've got. Oh yeah, that's right. Because this is our Airbnb group, hey. So I've got Facebook Live going, and then I've got an Airbnb group mastermind chat happening.
Fuck yeah. I just saw you were calling, and I was just like, yeah, fuck, I got nothing to do right now.
Yeah, but it seemed to actually disturb that other guy, which is actually like he's in Spain and he's picked up like 600 properties. He's
Crazy.
on Airbnb. Yeah, man, he's talking to Ty Lopez and everything like that. Like he's hustling hard. He's from Sweden and he just turned up to Spain and he was like, found me on Facebook and whatever, and he started talking to me and
Man, that's wicked.
he's doing really well. Like I'm thinking of going to Spain to hang out with him.
Oh, you're cutting out a little bit.
I'm thinking of going to Spain to go hang out with him, like help him set up these properties.
Yeah, that'd be dope. Spain looks epic.
Oh, totally. It looks super epic.
I made a friend up here in Auckland on a delivery recently, right? And he got this company called the Waiheke Green Cross, and he's got CBD oil manufacturing company for like vaporizers in Portugal, and he's trying to bring it all into New Zealand, but he started off on like mushroom